Okay, let's close this. I'm sorry for the breathing noise. Yes. My bike. Okay, let me go open the gate first. Then, you know what? I'll start the bike and keep it in idle. I'm so out of my breath right now. I don't know why. Maybe because of the temperature. Okay. So I'm going to Nagappara. I don't know the exact place of it. I just found it on the Google Map, so I thought I'll go. No one even recommended me. You know how I found it? I was just opening Google Map, dragging around my location, and I saw this photo spot. So I clicked on it. It was 50 kilometers away from where from the resort, and I thought, why not? I'll go. Oh, I have to open my voice, otherwise I'm gonna die. Like, literally, I will die with the jacket and stuff. Oh, look at this. Water is almost it's on the road. I think they're doing something to prevent that. They've unloaded all these rocks and mud over here. Maybe they're constructing a wall, a fence, a wall maybe. Compound. What am I saying, bro? Do I have to go from here? What the hell is this road? Okay. I hear these guys talking about the bike. You grab a lot of attention, especially when you have all these gears up. And if they see that this is a Karnataka registration bike, they'll be like, the hell, bro? Huh? What are you doing here? Why did he honk? Did he get scared? Fantastic. Nice road. It's good that I didn't overtake. Look at that. There's a truck coming. That's why you should wait when it's a curve. You shouldn't overtake when it's a curve. Again. Look at that. I think I'm gonna be stuck behind him forever right now. Okay, can I? Yeah. Okay, Pathanamthitta. Oh, I guess I'm going to Pathanamthitta. Yes, now I get it. That is always satisfying. Have to overtake this guy, man. Oh, that's a curve. I don't want to do it. Oh, I'm gonna have some fun here because the roads are literally. Oh shit. Yeah. It's all curves from now on. I'm ready, boys. Let's do this. See, now this is what I'm talking about. It's interesting, it's not boring. Yeah, you got something to do. You have to look out for vehicles. upcoming traffic. You've got something to do. You got your mind working all the time. Unlike the highway road where your mind is probably dead. Because you've got nothing in front. It's just straight road. Now this is what I like. Interesting. 10 kilometers more. What the hell is this? I was stuck on my leg. No, the green is very good in here. The contrast and everything is perfect already. I don't think I'll have to do color grading. That was a perfect one. It's only 3.2 kilometers from here. I think I reached quicker than I was supposed. Okay, if you take a left from here, I mean right from here. This is some sketchy roads in the beginning itself. All rubber, man. Rubber farm. That's nice. Oh, that's a nice cat. അങ്ങോട്ട് വണ്ടി പോവോ? പോവില്ല. ആ പാറ എവിടെയാണ്? ഇതിലേക്ക് കയറി പോണോ? ഇറങ്ങി പോണോ? ഇവിടെ വരെ ഉള്ളൂ. I'm going through some kind of forest. Okay, let's see where this takes us. But my bike could actually come here. Should I even try to take it? What happens if I cannot turn it, man? It's gonna be a pain in the ass then. I'll have to call backup. Let's see. Where is this? People are throwing a lot of garbage, man. Why? This is nice. I think I probably can bring my bike over here. Let's see. I'll look for roots. Why is he looking at me like that? No, I don't want to go next to him. It's scary, man. Okay. This is it, guys. Look at this. It's beautiful though. It's not as much as what I expected, but yeah, it is a view. A good place to chill. You know what? Are the clouds moving so I can take a time lapse? I'm only worried about my bike though. That's an issue because I've parked it there. I never leave my bike there and go. So time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going right now. I have my helmet and my tank bag on my hand. Okay, which way? This way. There's a lot of garbage in here. Okay, my bike is safe. Thank God. I was so worried about my bike. Look at her, man. Look at her. Yeah, it was pretty okay. Not bad. I liked it. But there was a lot of garbage, man. I hate when I see that. Okay, right now my plan is to go back to the room and chill, or I might go to another place which I haven't decided yet. Let's see. Should I go or not? Tomorrow I'll be leaving to Trivandrum, so maybe explore one more place and then go. You know what? I've decided to go back to the room, chill for a bit. You guys enjoy this curvy ride a bit. I'm not gonna speak anything. Just enjoy it. Alright? Okay guys, I guess that's it for the curvy roads. It's gonna be normal roads from here. So I'll see you guys at the resort. Okay? Bye bye.